بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Continue our example, Appliance Store example. We reach to 1st of July 2015. Rent payable from 1st of July 2014, paid on 1st of July 2015. Paid here we have rent payable 2,400 rent payable. Here the question said that we paid this on 1st of July 2015. Okay. To complete our transaction, we must determine how we pay this amount. We can add cash here to complete our sentence. Yes, here cash. Then paid in cash, we go back for Quick Box. We have write checks, paying cash or from bank. We have writing checks. Click write checks. Change the date 1st of July 2015. Rent payable, we have here CC customer, SOS company, XYZ customer, etc, etc, etc. We don't have here the rent company or rental company. Okay, here we have rent payable, the beginning balance. Then we don't have the rental company that we don't have rental company name specified on the question. Then we can add a new account or a new name, rental company, general name. As we said earlier or in the previous videos, if the question didn't determine the payee, then we must add a general name. Here, rental company, a general name for the company that we will pay the rent for them. Then press tab, quick add. This is a vendor, yes, classified as vendor, okay, because we will pay for them. The amount here, we can go to expenses, click, then rent payable. We have here rent payable, yes, rent payable amount 2,400. 2,400 we have here at the beginning of our question 2,500 JD rent payable. We paid this rent payable here. Okay. Done. We must ensure that we have here 2,400, 2,400. Okay. Save and close. Yes. Go back. Okay. Close. Ensure that we record these transactions. We have finally adjusting interest 31st of December 2015. Equipment useful life 20 years, no salvage value. Equipment, if we go back at the beginning of the question, we have 50,000 equipment, the cost of the equipment 50,000, then 50,000 divided by 20 Then we have here 50,000 divided by 20 years. Straight line method. 50,000 divided by 20 years. You have 2,500 per year. And furniture useful life 5 years, salvage value 100. Furniture, go back to the beginning of the question. Do we have here furniture? We have here, we purchased furniture 2nd of January for 2,000 GD. Then we can calculate depreciation for 2015, 2,000, the original cost minus 100 salvage value, straight line method, divided by 10 years, which equals 180. Equals 180. Go back for recording these journal entries or these adjusting entries. We have company, make general journal entries for adjusting entries. Don't show this again. 31st of December 2015. Depreciation expense. If you have here adjusting entry checkbox, click on or check the checkbox. I don't have here this checkbox. It's okay. Depreciation expense. Press tab, set up, this is a new account. We classify it as expense, continue, expense, yes, continue, save and close. 2,500, tab, and accumulated depreciation. We have here accumulated depreciation, which we added at the beginning of the question. We have equipment, accumulated depreciation, 2,500. Here, this accumulated depreciation is a sub-account of equipment, or for equipment, sub-account of equipment, which means that it's a contra account of equipment. Save and new. Yes. Don't show this again. Okay. Furniture, 31st of December 2015, furniture. Then we have depreciation expense, 180. Accumulated depreciation. Accumulated depreciation here is for equipment. We want new accumulated depreciation for furniture. We can delete this and add underscore to distinguish this account from the accumulated depreciation for equipment. Press tab, yes. It's fixed assets because it's a contra account for fixed asset. Continue. Accumulated depreciation, it's a sub account, contra account for what? For furniture. Then sub account for furniture, okay, or of furniture, 180. Save and close, yes. We finish all transactions that are required in this question. We want to print and save. Here, print and save, we want to print and save our work. Okay. Print and save, we go back for Appliance Store. Then we must consider where we want to add and save or print and save these transactions. We can here go to desktop, go back to desktop. We can create new folder, call it Appliance Store, the name of the company, to save our reports in this folder. Go back. We want to print and save journal, general ledger, etc. Reports, accountant and taxes. We have reports, accountant and taxes. First, journal. Don't forget to select all. Here we have journal. Excel, create new worksheet. Here we want to print this report in Excel format. We must wait for Excel to respond. Here, sending report to Excel. Finally, we have Excel report here. Down here, you will notice that we have Excel report. This is Excel report. We want to click Save. Save as. Choose desktop. Browse. We can go and select desktop. And from desktop we want to select Appliance Store. You must ensure that you have Appliance Store here on the top, and journal, your university ID, and the name of the report, journal. Okay, you notice that here we have the name of the Excel file changed to your university ID and the name of the report. Close this report. The second report is general ledger reports, accountant and taxes, general ledger. Select all transactions for Appliance Store. Excel, create new worksheet, export, wait for Excel. Yes, sending report to Excel. Then here Excel is activated. Save. Okay, save. You have here Appliance Store. You must find it, Appliance Store, because we use it shortly. Save. Change the name to your university ID and the name of the report. Save. Here, here's that, which the file name changed. Close. Third report is adjusting trail balance, or adjusted trail balance. Adjusted trail balance reports, accountant and taxes. Here we don't have adjusted trail balance on this edition. If you don't see adjusted trail balance, simply use trail balance. If you see adjusted trail balance, use it. Then trail balance. Select all transactions. You must here see all transactions. Then Excel, create a worksheet, export, wait for Excel to respond. Here we activate Excel, save, and we have here Appliance Store, your university ID, and the name of report. Save. Here we must ensure that the name is changed. Close, close. Back to, we have other reports, profit and loss standard, balance sheet standard. Profit and loss standard, balance sheet standard, we can find it where? In company and financial profit and loss standard and balance sheet standard. Here I will leave these reports to be performed by you, as we said on our example here in this video and in the previous videos. And purchase by vendor detail, purchase by item detail, we can find these reports in here, reports, purchases by vendor detail here, purchases by vendor detail, and purchases by item detail. And don't forget to use all. We have sales by customer detail, sales by item detail. Go back for QuickBooks reports. Here we have sales by customer detail, sales by item detail, and print and save in Excel format. This is to conclude our example. Thank you very much.